hello to each one of you. So before I leave, I just want to make a quick unboxing with all the gifts that I have received during our first podcast with our Miss Grand International, Emma. Anna, Maria Tegla. Okay, so the first box is from Jazz Marina. Thank you, Jazz. We also received a letter, which is very important for me. Sweet. We also have here Chicha Pop. And Kalamay. Oh, sweet. Very cute. Okay. Cute. Galing siguro siya sa bansang to. Anyway, thank you so much. They removed the name, but inside is a phone case and a pepper glass. And also this cute keychain. Oh, it's from Mori. Oh, no, cute naman. Salamat. Smells so good. I think you put cologne. Ano to, letter? Is this a letter? So the next gift is from Angel. And look. Oh, this is a real effort. Thank you so much, Angel. A reminder that you are loved by many. You're a strong woman who is capable of anything. Thank you, Angel. You are also capable of doing anything that you want to do. Thank you, baby. I love it. Okay, so let's open this. I think she made this. Thank you. And also, in here, we got 3 boxes. So let's open. So the first mini box is purple and inside is also purple. The next mini box is this blue one, but inside is a mini fan. Third mini box is the pink one and inside is also pink. Another hair mist. Oh, before I forgot, this is also a gift from Angel and see. Look at that. Wow, another expensive gift, but this is from Chi Brian, the owner of Creative Pixel, who did our live stream.
We also received a jacket from Creative Pixel.
So our next gift is from Josh and Dashlyn. So cute, thank you.